Hey everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. I have got something huge and exciting to show you. I'm unboxing the FLOWORLD 6-foot artificial rubber tree plant. Let's dive in. As I'm opening this big box, let me tell you why I'm so pumped. We're talking about a 6-foot artificial plant that promises to bring a touch of nature indoors without the hassle of maintenance. And I am a black thumb, so I am so looking forward to having some additional greenery in the house. I'm going to try to pull out the trunk. Now, it is a 6-inch wide, 5-inch tall black nursery pot. It was a little bit of a struggle getting it out of the box because they tape it in really well to protect the plant and the pot from getting damaged in shipping. Pot is pretty heavy to help prevent it from tipping. So it is good if you have kids and pets running around. It won't easily tip over, but it did make it a little bit of a challenge to get it out of the box. The branches were pretty easy to put on. Let's go ahead and try to fluff up this plant. One of the coolest features is its flexibility. Each branch has a soft metal wire inside, so you can adjust and fluff it out to your liking, as I'm doing here. This is the final look. It does take a bit of patience to get the leaves just right, but that's kind of the fun part. You can customize it to how you want it to look, and because this plant it's actually made of plastic, you do want to keep it out of the sun, otherwise it will fade. But other than that and the occasional dusting, it does stay green all year round.